Welcome back to the channel. Recently I had one of my other cars wrapped. The job that was done was probably less than what you would normally get from a reputable company. It was very poorly done. For whatever reason, it's no longer getting done by them again. So I need this one wrapped. It's my new vehicle for moving the race car around, but it has to match. So we're going to wrap it in green using 3M. I thought, well, after such a poor job was done on the other car, may as well have a go myself, right? I mean, if that's the standard that they're selling, I'm pretty sure I can do it better than that. So we've stripped down the transporter. Yes, it was Darkside's old car. I did buy it off Darkside. Shout out to Darkside for looking after me. Stay tuned. Now that's all cleaned, or the majority of it off. Before we wrap it, then we just go over it with like a chemical just to make sure it's doubly clean. I clayed it as well with this. This is from
Nice.
AutoSmart. Yes, AutoSmart. It's actually really good. You can feel it working, and it just takes all the high spots off. So when you put the wrap on, you know, theoretically it should be smooth, right? That's another thing they didn't do on the other car, is they didn't clean it before they wrapped it. So you can see all of the dust on top of the, this point. Hopefully this will come out good. So obviously I've got to do the windows and stuff still. There's still a few little bits. As we go, we'll probably start with one panel and then work the way around. Hopefully it turns out right. There's also the bumper, which is over there. I've got to do that as well. I don't know which way to attack that just yet, but majority of it's clean, ready to go. Stay tuned. Sorry, stay tuned. So, some of you may have seen that I'm not wrapping it. Funny story, so one of my followers on Instagram saw that I was prepping it, ready to have a go for the wrap. And they messaged and said they'd like to come and help. I mean, it's a Sunday. They said they'd come and help do it. And yeah, I mean, what a result. Probably about 50% through. So the door, the other side's done. There's obviously the bonnet, this wing, the roof, the back, bumpers to finish. One thing that is really important is making sure that it's clean. This is obviously front bumper, it was sprayed, but it's had a few little divots and there's a little bit of damage on this. You can sort of just see that's where there's a big scratch. So I've just flattened it back. If I have to take the wrap back off it again, I'll just have to respray it. You know, I'd rather it be smooth and stuff on the front as opposed to seeing the mark, because you will see it. You did on the other one. Getting there. Looking very.